as we gather to remember the leaders of 1916, mindful of their dreams, their sacrifice, and their love for Ireland. We dedicate ourselves once again to work for a more just, inclusive, and environmentally friendly society.
We stand here at the burial place of the executed leaders of 1916 to commemorate those men as we have since 1924. This year, the President will lay a wreath at Áras in Uachtaráin at the 16 birch trees planted in honour of the 1916 leaders. In addition, Captain O'Brien, a serving member of the Defence Forces and a great-grandson of Cathal Brugha, will lay a wreath on behalf of those relatives who cannot be here today.
I invite Captain O'Brien, a great-grandson of Cathal Brugha, 1916 participant, to lay a wreath on behalf of the relatives of the 1916 leaders.